Looking for the best commercial meat grinder on Amazon? In this video, we'll show you 4 powerful meat grinders that deliver professional performance and great value. All product links are in the description below. Now let's get started with number 1. Number 1 is the CHEFFANO 2600 watt electric meat grinder, a powerful machine built for fast, efficient, and professional quality meat processing at home. Whether you're making fresh ground beef, burgers, meatballs, or homemade sausages, this grinder delivers impressive performance with very little effort. Powered by a high-performance 2600 watt max motor, it can process large amounts of meat quickly while producing smooth and consistent results. The durable stainless steel body not only looks premium, but is also built for long-lasting performance in busy kitchens. This grinder includes 3 stainless steel grinding plates, allowing you to choose between coarse, medium, or fine textures depending on your recipe. It also comes with 2 sharp stainless steel blades and sausage stuffing tubes, giving you everything you need to prepare fresh homemade sausages with ease. The oversized food tray lets you grind more meat at once, while the food pusher helps feed ingredients safely into the machine. If meat becomes stuck, the convenient reverse function helps clear blockages quickly, keeping everything running smoothly. For added peace of mind, the grinder is ETL certified and features built-in overload protection to help prevent overheating during heavy use. When you're finished, the removable accessories make cleanup quick and simple. If you're looking for a powerful, reliable, and versatile meat grinder that offers excellent performance and professional results at home, the CHEFFANO 2600 watts is an outstanding choice and easily earns the number 1 spot on our list. Number 2 is the Lim Products BigBite number 8 meat grinder, a premium commercial quality machine built for serious home cooks, hunters, and anyone who regularly processes large amounts of meat. Designed with durability and performance in mind, this grinder delivers professional results every time. Powered by a reliable 0.5 horsepower motor, the BigBite technology feeds meat more efficiently through the grinder, reducing jams and allowing you to process meat faster with less effort. It's perfect for grinding beef, pork, venison, chicken, and other meats with smooth, consistent results. The entire grinder is built with heavy-duty stainless steel, giving it outstanding durability while making it easy to clean after use. The oversized stainless steel meat tray lets you prepare larger batches without constantly stopping to reload ingredients, making it ideal for meal prep or processing game meat. Its precision grinding system helps preserve the texture and quality of your meat, whether you're making fresh burgers, meatballs, tacos, or homemade sausages. The sturdy construction also reduces vibration, keeping the machine stable even during extended grinding sessions. With its commercial-grade design, dependable motor, and long-lasting stainless steel construction, the Lim Products BigBite number 8 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for powerful performance and professional quality meat grinding right at home. Number 3 is the FOHERE 3000 watt heavy-duty meat grinder, a powerful 5-in-1 machine that's perfect for preparing fresh meat and much more. With its high-performance 3000 watt max motor, it grinds meat quickly and efficiently, making it ideal for burgers, meatballs, sausages, and other homemade recipes. This versatile grinder includes 3 stainless steel grinding plates for different textures, a sausage stuffer kit, and a kubi attachment, giving you more cooking options in one machine. It also comes with multiple slicing and shredding drums, allowing you to grate cheese and prepare vegetables with ease. If you're looking for a powerful, multifunction meat grinder that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks while delivering reliable performance, the FOHERE 3000 watts is an excellent choice. Number 4 is the AAO Bossi 3000 watt electric meat grinder, a powerful and versatile machine designed to make food preparation faster and easier. With its high-performance 3000 watt max motor, it quickly grinds beef, pork, chicken, and other meats with smooth, consistent results. This grinder includes 3 stainless steel grinding plates for coarse, medium, and fine textures, along with sausage stuffing and kibbeh attachments, giving you everything you need to create fresh, homemade meals. The convenient reverse function helps clear blockages, while the built-in accessory storage keeps all the included parts organized and within easy reach. Built with durable materials and designed for reliable performance, the AAO Bossi 3000 watts is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a powerful meat grinder that combines convenience, versatility, and professional quality results in one compact machine. That wraps up our top 4 commercial meat grinders on Amazon. Whether you're grinding fresh meat for burgers, homemade sausages, or meal prep, there's a great option here for every kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon product reviews. As always, all product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.